Welcome back, dear students. Are you all happy and safe at home? Okay, very good. Are you ready for today's class? Before going to the rest of the portion, let's rewind the previous part. Okay? Listen to me. After setting the trap, Sero noticed that a bird has trapped in the cage. He became happy. He put the bird in a cage and gave food and water to the bird for the 2 days. But on the third day, he did not give food and water to the bird. Sero went to the cage and started cleaning. The bird was frightened and it flapped its wings. After cleaning, he had forgotten to shut the cage. Okay, children, I hope you understood the story up till here. Shall we start our today's lesson? Okay, very good. Take your textbook, take page number 150. The Fallen Bird. I am going to read the passage, The Fallen Bird. You listen to me carefully. Before Sero's mother could complete her words, the bird came out of the cage. It spread its wings and flew around the room. It hit against the window and fell. Hit means to touch quickly with a lot of force. The bird came out of the cage and it spread its wings. It flew around the room. Suddenly, it hit against the window and fell. Sero came running in. He picked the bird up. He put it back in the cage. The bird was still alive, but it lay on the floor with its wings spread out. It was breathing heavily. Children, do you know what is the meaning of alive? Alive means not dead. Sero picked the bird and put it back in the cage. The bird was not dead, but it can't fly. It was struggling for breath heavily. Sero kept looking at it. He started weeping. Mother, what shall I do now? He asked. You can do nothing now, she replied. Weep means cry. Okay, children, I will read the passage, The Fallen Bird, once more. You read with me. Before Sero's mother could complete her words, the bird came out of the cage. It spread its wings and flew around the room. It hit against the window and fell. Sero came running in. He picked the bird up. He put it back in the cage. The bird was still alive, but it lay on the floor with its wings spread out. It was breathing heavily. Sero kept looking at it. He started weeping. Mother, what shall I do now? He asked. You can do nothing now, she replied. Okay, children, let's move on to the next passage, The Sleepless Night. Sero stayed by the cage all day. He did nothing but look at the bird. All the time the bird lay on its breast, breathing heavily. Children, breast means front of the chest. Sero stayed in the same place all day. All the time the bird was breathing heavily. After Sero went to bed, the bird died. Sero could not sleep for a long time. Every time he shut his eyes, he saw the bird gasping and lying still. Children, do you know what is the meaning of gasp? It means catch one's breath with an open mouth. After Sero went to bed, the bird died. For a long time, Sero had a sleepless night. Every time he closed his eyes, he saw the bird gasping for breath. In the morning, when Sero went to the cage, he saw the bird lying on its back, stiff with legs crossed. Sero never caught birds after that. Stiff means not bent easily or changed in shape. Summary. Due to the carelessness of Sero, the bird flew around the room and hit against the window and fell down. Sero wept loudly. He and his mother can't do anything. By seeing the helpless condition of the bird, Sero felt very sad. After the death of the bird, Sero never caught any bird. Okay, students, read the passage 2 times. It's time to wind up today's class. Thank you.